Hey, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, and I want to take you on a little tour here of a 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. Just want to give you a little walkthrough on this great boat. It's been out 2 years with a redesign. We got this fold-down seat right here in front of us, so you can get a forwards and backwards seating, just like that. You got flip-up bolsters that are right in front of it. Really comfortable position for when you're at anchor or when you're driving. This one has full controls, including a Raymarine Axiom Pro, digital throttle, digital shift, lane code, trim tabs. There's a glove box, SmartCraft gauges, VHF radio, and a compass. And this one is also equipped with a hardtop and taco Grand Slam outriggers. Moving forward on the boat, we have a pump-out marine toilet, plenty of storage down here, battery on-off switch. And then forward in the bow, a double-wide seat. Thanks for watching. This is Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.